Well, now let's perform the pass by reference here, and let's do some sort of operations which is related to that particular pass by reference. So basically, for the purpose of performing that pass by reference, what you need to do is you need to actually take an example, right? So I'm gonna choose a struct, and I'm gonna perform with that particular struct here. So here we need to mention that this is here there is an initial process which is known as FM main. Here we need to specify what sort of colors which are be taken. I'm gonna choose red, blue, and green because those are the colors which you had chosen. If you wanna choose another more colors, also you can choose. Let's choose some other stuff. Uh, Pink. So as in this way, you can specify all the colors, and then what you need to do is the next step you need to specify that it is belongs to an pass by reference, and you need to specify and symbol so that it can able to understand that it is belongs to an and symbol. So now let's specify that particular thing. Here we need to choose a color which is known as blue because we have chosen blue at the above, right? That's the reason. Here you need to choose a print color. We can click this and we can choose it, and then next again. So let's give some shortcuts here. Instead of saying red, you can say it in a way of R actually. I mean shortcuts R, B, G, and B again in that way. So as in this way, you can able to choose all these things, and let's check whether everything is perfect or not. Everything is perfect. I think so. So R, G, B, and we need to give the pink, right? So for that, I mean for that specific purpose, okay, let's do one thing. Let's take off G here. Yeah, let's take off G here, and let's give the same thing here. So I think everything is perfect. Let's again check it. So now let's try to run and let's wait and watch with what sort of output are we gonna get. So it's getting. So here you got the output as R0, B33, and G. R in the sense red is 0, and blue is 33, and then green is 0, and then even the P is also 0. So those are the values which we got, and then let's do some of the sort of things here. So here, if you observe one thing, we only got a P and 0. We didn't got any dots in between them. So why didn't we dot? Why didn't we got is here? We didn't, I mean, we did not given. So if you run into those dots will be represented here. That's it. And then yeah. So not only in this way, yeah, we got even the P with the dots. So not only in this way, we can also perform the same thing in another way. Let's look at whether what's that particular other way. Instead of giving this and symbol, let's remove this. And even at here also we can remove that and symbol. And now let's try to run it and let's wait and watch the for the output. Even now also we got the same output. So there are no more variations and no more changes. So that's the information which is related to the passing reference. And I'd like to say one thing for you. So here, with the help of using this print color blue in this way, and then here with the help of both these all we had passed the reference. So that's how it works. And that's it about the passing reference instruct at Rust programming language.